Good medical morning. Today, we're going to revisit one of Adam's first videos on World's Greatest Medical. It's about Sylvester John Mungai, an evangelist in Africa who suffers from neurofibromatosis. Neurofibromatosis, or NF, is a genetic disorder that causes tumors to form on nerve tissue. These tumors can develop anywhere in your nervous system, including your brain, spinal cord, and nerves. NF is usually diagnosed in childhood or early adulthood. The tumors are usually non-cancerous, but sometimes can become cancerous. Symptoms are often mild. However, complications of neurofibromatosis can include hearing loss, learning impairment, heart and blood vessel problems, loss of vision, and severe pain.
I remember taking a rope in the evening at around 5 and went in a bush, just giving up in life and saying, all is all, I want to hang myself.
Neurofibromatosis, also known as NF, is a genetically inherited disorder of the nervous system, which mainly affects the development of nerve cell tissues, causing tumors to develop on nerves and also may cause other abnormalities.
Sylvester has faith that laser treatment will help him live a normal life again. However, there is fear that the tumors will take his vision in the coming years. Please leave him your comments and well wishes below. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. See you next time. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have like no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.